Alright, so one of the real powerful parts of using a parametric modeling program is the ability to go back and make changes. So if I look at this boss, it looks good, but if I expand that down, I see that I didn't fully constrain that sketch. And so to edit that sketch, I can either expand it and right-click on the sketch and go to edit, or I can even just right-click on the feature, and there's my edit feature, but then here's my edit sketch, and go back into it. So now I can add those dimensions in there. So maybe I'll call this 3. And then so on this one, if I want this to be half of this one, I can just click on it, pull it out, and while I'm in, and it's asking me for it, I can click on this value, and it's just going to read what that value is. And of course, I can put in just my divide by 2. And it divides it by 2. That's good. But it's not going to stay half of that, because if I change this to be 4 now, that still stayed at 1.5. So if I want that relationship to stay there and have the changes on one affect the other one, then I need to do a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and go back and edit this. And now I'm going to say equals. And you can see I've even got other options here. I can do all kinds of math stuff. And as well as I can pull in some different properties from SolidWorks. So I'm just going to say that one. So I'm going to pick on this value, and that's just going to give it to me there. You'll notice that it's D1 at the name of my sketch. And so I can say divide by 2. I get the little sigma sign saying that that is now an equation and it's locked in. So if I expand this, you can see that's sketch 1. This is D1 at sketch 1. This is D2 at sketch 1. And it's there. If I just pick on the dimension and don't double click, I can see that same thing over here. D1 at sketch 1 and its value. Pick on this one, I can see it's D2 at sketch 1, and I can't see the value here, but because it's in an equation. So I'd have to double click to get into there for it. So let me finish that, and there we go.